Dubai City. Dubai is a city, the United Arab Emirates, known for its modern architecture, luxury shopping, and vibrant nightlife. It is located on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula and is the largest city in the UAE. Dubai has become a popular t- tourist destination in recent years, attracting visitors from all the world. Some of the most famous landmarks in Dubai include the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, the Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping center in the world, and the Plum Jumeirah and Article Island in the shape of Palm tree. Other popular include the Dubai Function, the Dubai Marble Garden, and the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Dubai is also known for its luxury hotel and resort as Burj Al Arab. The city has diverse cuisine with restaurants serving a variety international. Dubai is also home to thriving arts and culture with museum galleries and exhibitions showing local and international artists. Dubai has a hot desert climate with high temperature through the year, practically in the summer north where the city has many indoor artisan activities are the perfect the crossing the eat. Dubai is global hub for business, commerce and tourism and continue to be popular destination for the travel, seeing luxury and adventure so beautiful. Dubai is the famous city of world in the different spas, different hotels and different in the entertainment city. So come please and visit.